Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add your own fonts or custom fonts into CapCut. So first you can start by finding the font that you want to add into CapCut. So for example, I'm going to find one in thefont.com. For example, here I'm going to add this Marie Jose font. So just click on download to get the font first. Okay, so now it's downloading and let's find the file to install it on my phone. So I'm going to find it in files. Okay, so this one's right here. Let's click on the file, then extract the file first. Click on done and let's open the CapCut apps and open the project that you want to edit. This one for example, and let's add it to my projects in here. So click on tags and click on add tags. I'm going to write the tags first. For example, here click on the fonts option and click on add font. Click on the plus icon and then just find the file that you downloaded before. Okay, this one Marie Jose, so just click on that, then click on the font. To use it, you can just click on the fonts in here, just like that. It will be applied to your edits. So that's how you can add on your own fonts into CapCut. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.